For nearly 50 years, people have put their trust in Iowa Lakes Community College to help them learn the skills needed to succeed in today's complex world. The Iowa Lakes HVAC program puts technology into action to meet industry needs and ensures a knowledgeable workforce is available to meet the high energy efficiency and environmental demands of the future. Your future starts at Iowa Lakes.